if you are stuck in the 0 view zone or your short aren't getting views, it's not about your content. It's 100% how you are uploading your video. That's all. There's no magic. So in today's video, I'm breaking down the exact upload process that helped me get results like this and this. Plus, at the end of this video, if you stay till the end, I'm going to give you a strategy that I wasn't going to share in this video, but I give you because this one thing no YouTuber has talked about on this YouTube platform, and this one thing has helped me got an extra 1 million views on each of my YouTube shorts, and this is going to help you. So if you miss any part of this video, you might miss the one thing that's holding you back from your views and your income, because that's the goal, to make the maximum money as possible. Now, the first step will be to upload your shot from the right device. You can upload shots from your computer or your phone, but I highly recommend using your phone. Why? Because the mobile app gives you access to important settings you won't find on desktop. Later on, I'll show you how these mobile only settings can massively boost your views. But first of all, this is how to transfer your video from your computer to your phone, for those who don't know, and this is only for those who have their video on computer. So first, upload the video to Google Drive. Open Google Drive on your phone and download the file, and boom, you are ready to upload from your phone. Here's a truth most creators ignore: the majority of views on shorts come from the short feed, not from hashtags. That means hashtags often useless. In fact, using too many can actually hurt your video. YouTube has clearly said that if you use more than 60 hashtags, your video could be removed from search or even blocked from upload. So keep it simple, add just a few hashtags that truly match your niche, and maybe sprinkle in a couple of keywords in your description. But don't overthink it, it won't move the needle. You want proof? Okay. My most viewed short has 0 tags, 0 hashtags, alright, and no fancy description. The only thing I did here is just to choose the perfect and the right video category for this video to help the algorithm to know exactly the niche and what I'm talking about. So right now you might be asking, but what actually helps a short to take off? Don't worry, this is exactly what we are heading to. Now let's move on to the title, and this is where things start getting interesting, because if you understand this, you can instantly boost your watch time and your engagement just by crafting a smarter title. One trick I use to increase watch time on my short is adding a small hook in the title, something that makes viewers want to stay until the end to get the answer. Simple move, powerful results. But here's where it gets even more fascinating. There's a strange little trick that everyone uses but no one is talking about. You've probably noticed this. A lot of creators nowadays are titling their video with strange phrases like "don't click on this sound" or "ignore this sound," etc. You might think it's random, but it's not. It's reverse psychology and it works. Viewers do click the sound out of curiosity, and guess what? YouTube counts that as engagement. Clicks, likes, comments, sound, taps. All of it adds up, and the more people interact, the more YouTube pushes that short to a wider audience. But to be honest, I've never used this trick because I have something else that helped me to make tons of views on YouTube shorts, and this one thing has helped me to boost and to multiply one of my YouTube shorts from 2 million views to 4 million views, and I'll show you every single thing in a bit of time. But first, you need to know the right time to upload your short. Now you might think you are posting at the right time, or even being off by just 1 hour will cost you thousands of views. So listen closely. Before I upload any short, I make sure to post it at the exact time my audience is the most active. That first hour after uploading is critical. It's when you to decide how far to push your video. So here's what to do. Open your YouTube analytics, head to the audience tab and find out when your viewers are online. Then schedule your shot to go live about 1 hour before your audience peak time. Why 1 hour before? Because you want the algorithm to start gaining momentum just as your viewers show up. Timing, exposure. And here is the pro tip a lot of people miss. When you are uploading your YouTube short, this is one thing you need to avoid. Never set it on private. Why? When you set it on private, you are not allowing YouTube to pre-scan your video, and pre-scanning your video is very important for the YouTube algorithm to know exactly what your YouTube short is about and how to push it. So if you set it on private, YouTube is not going to be able to do that. But if you set it on unlisted instead, you are giving YouTube the possibility to scan your video and to know exactly what it's talking about, and give time to yourself to put the right thing to optimize it before clicking on that public button. And as for me, I recommend you to wait at least 5 hours before clicking on that public button. Alright, so now let's move on to the most important part, how I double my views with only one trick. If you don't already know, there are three main ways your short get views: the short feed, search, and the browse features. That's the home page and suggested videos. Most creators get almost all their views from the short feed, but here's the secret: you can double your views and make your videos more evergreen by getting them to show up in the browse features too. And to do that, you need to start making custom thumbnails for your shorts. Now I know what exactly you might be thinking: thumbnails on shorts? That sounds silly, but trust me, this only one trick, okay, has helped me to get over half of the views on a 2 million views short from browse features and suggested video alone. That means YouTube was showing my short right on people's homepage alongside regular long form videos, and viewers were clicking on it. That engagement signaled YouTube to promote my short even more on the homepage. Compare that to short that only blow up in the short feed. They usually blow up fast and then drop completely. But my short will be the trick, and the thumbnail strategy helped me getting steady daily views from browse, making me passive income over time. Sure, the daily views per videos aren't massive, but imagine hundreds of short getting consistent views for months or years. That adds up fast into a powerful ongoing revenue stream. There are creators using clickbaity thumbnails on short who get tens of millions of views, mostly not from the short feed but from browse features. So when you are editing your short, always include a highly clickbait frame. Create it in Photoshop or CapCut, any tool you prefer. And here is why I recommend uploading from your phone. You cannot upload custom thumbnails for short on desktop, but on the phone you can choose any frame from the video as the thumbnail. So since you stuck around till the end, I'm going to give you another strategy that will help you to get more views. When you are posting your YouTube short, use related video. This shows up above your short title. If you give that related video a strong clickable title, viewers will keep clicking from one video to the next, sending more views your way through watch time and session duration. But here is the reality check: if you follow all these upload strategy and setting but still can't break past zero of those flat lines, it might be your content itself. If you are stuck at 0 views, YouTube might think your channel is a robot or a bot uploading spam. You probably warmed up your account poorly. But if you are getting a few hundred, a few thousand, this means your content probably needs some work. But if you are getting around 30,000, 50,000, 100,000 views, this means your content are good, but they are not outstanding. So to truly level up and start crushing it, you need to improve your video quality and engagement. If you want to know exactly how to do that, click on this video and watch it. It will help you a lot, and I'll see you in my next video. Until then, take care. It was Joshua, your friend, and peace out.